Alright everyone, in this video we are going to talk about math functions. Math functions allow you to perform mathematical tasks on number. And we are going to start with minimum function, maximum function, ABS function, square root function, round function, and random function. Let's start with minimum function, okay? What is minimum function? Let's see. Echo double quotes. Inside the minimum function, sorry, I have to write it like this. Inside the minimum function, I will write 2, 4, 10, and 100. Okay? And now let's see. The minimum function returns the minimum value to us. Okay? Let's see. It returned 2 because 2 is the minimum number between these numbers. If I change this minimum function into maximum function, I want to copy this because I want to do it fast. Now let's paste it here and I want to change this min into max. Now let's see. The maximum number is 100. This maximum function, okay? Now let's know about the ABS function. ABS function returns the positive value of a number. Let's see echo and I'm gonna write ABS function. Inside this ABS function always get one value, okay? What if I write more than one value? Let's see. And 10. Now let's see what will happen. Look, and got argument count here. ABS expect exactly one argument, but I gave it two parameter. I'm gonna write this like this, minus 7.11. And now let's see. The positive of it is 7.11. ABS function returns the positive value of a number to us. Now let's know about the square root function. The square root function returns the square of a number. For example, let's see, echo is QRT function and I'm gonna see the 25. Let's see. The 25 square root of 25 is 5. With square root you can get or you can see the square of a number. What is round function? Round function round the floating point number into the nearest integer. For example, I'm gonna write round function. Let's write it like this. Round function, inside round function, for example, I'm gonna write 0.54. Okay? Now let's see. It's 1 because 1 is the nearest number in integer. With round, you can round a floating point number into the nearest integer number. What is rand? Rand means random number. It will choose randomly a number. For example, I'm gonna write echo rand function. Inside rand function, I don't want to write anything for now. And if I refresh it, it gave me a random number. Every time I refreshed, it will give me a random number like this. But now I'm gonna choose number between 1 to 10. 1 and 10. Now let's see. It will choose number randomly between 1 to 10. 5, 8, 1, 1, 9, 1, 8, 9, 2. This math function allows you to perform mathematical tasks on numbers.